Hi fellow viewers, to everybody, good afternoon. Ako po si Steve Hoong. Ako po may-ari ng video account na ito sa website na youtube.com. By the way, itong video na ito is I'm so happy na na-mention na yung ating President, Philippine President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos. Okay. It's good that he mentioned already yung sa flood control projects. Minsan pa nga ghost projects or anomalous projects. By the way, hindi lang flood control projects. Of course, yung mga nakikita niya other provinces, talagang babahain. Pero can you imagine billions of pesos? May isa dyan, I don't like to mention the name of the contractor, pero nashock ako. Sabi ka, ha? Natanggap yung pera, pero walang na-start. Pero ang pera, bayad na. Uy, di, parang parte-parte lang yung pera. Talagang magiging issue po yan. And take note, hindi lang 2025. Posible pa yan 2026, 2027, 2028, and so on and so forth. Kasi ang corruption kasi, I'm gonna tell you, sa Philippines kasi hindi yan maiwasan. Kung sa ibang bansa pa nga, pag mahuli, tanggal kagad eh. Sa iba pa nga, kung mahuli, firing squad. Kung sa ibang countries. Philippines hindi eh. Malaking liability yan kasi pera ng taong bayan yan eh. Kaya hindi na ako magtataka. Yung sa Marikina River, yon, hindi niya na-mention. Ang napagtataka, bakit ang na-mention lang, of course, unang-una, buong Bulacan. Supposed to be, ang dapat niya mention yung sa yung sa Bicol, nakakatawa, bakit Sorsogon? Ang grabe sa Bicol is Albay. Isa na dyan yung mama ni Senator Juan Mig Subiri. Mama niya is from Albay, yung near at Mayong Volcano. Albay is an old issue. Dahil may isa dyan mining. I don't like to mention na yung mining. Tapos, binenta pa sa parang Malaysian mining firm. I don't know what happened. Albay yan ha. Camarines Sur. I will not mention their names. You know who they are. Napansin mo yung current mayor, yung si Leni Robredo. Alam yan ng husband yung na plane, yung nalunod, yung plane crash, si Jesse Robredo. Bakit ang Naga City parating binabaha tuwing rainy season? Camarines Sur, yan. Alam nila yan. Hindi na ako magtataka. I will not mention their family names, name ng contractors. Hindi na ako magtataka. Tsaka, tingnan niyo yung baha. Lagpas ng baywang. Next is Pangasinan. Catch Basin. Tingnan niyo yung Dagupan City. I'm not from Dagupan. I'm not from Naga City, Camarines Sur. I'm just only here in Dumaguete City. So, hindi na ako magtataka. Kasi kaya ko ito na-mention itong video na ito kasi talaga magkakaroon ng issue kasi kung naayos lang yung standard lang yung product like fully cemented with round steel na mas makapal. Kasi kung manipis yung kabilya, ay talagang collapse. Tapos heavy rainwater, tapos buhangin lang nilagay, ay collapse. How much more kung bamboo ang nilagay? Maraming tao mapeperwisyo. Tingnan nyo yung other provinces. Try to search. Ilan na ang namatay sa flood? Dahil may kinalaman sa flood control project or yung dike, cemented dike. Tingnan nyo yung dike ninyo. Quality ba or substandard? So, yun. By the way, to all civil engineer yung nagpa-practice na gumawa ng dike, flood control project or the next future contractors sa mga government bidding, ito lang advice ko sa inyo. Ito lang. Don't you worry, meron pa akong susunod na video. Kasi ang title itong video na ito is Flood Control Project, Big Issue sa 2025 ng Pilipinas. Sinadya ko yung title na yan. Kasi that video is viral in social media and big issue. Next year, 2026, 2027, we don't know what will happen next. Ang flood, hindi yan ma-face out. I'm gonna tell you. Unless lang, unless lang kung meron, yung tama si Architect June Palafox, urbanization, walang urbanization na ganap sa Philippines. Because, bakit? Kasi high pride, matigas ang ulo. Nasa sa kanila na yan. Remember, I will not mention their name, the contractor, the family names. Of course, kung narinig nila yung apelido, name ng company, they will file libel. Sige. Kung i-file nila ako libel, sige. Ang kapalit, bago ko i-delete ang video, kung kakaso ng libel, name your price. Kahit 10 milyong piso pa yan. Pero ang pinag-uusapan kasi, buhay ng tao. Sila yung nabahaan, sila pa ang namatay. Because, yes, nakasalalay po tayo dyan. It's up to you na yan. Kung ayaw nyo maniwala sa video, you can skip. No problem. Pero ang issue, buhay ng tao ang pinag-uusapan when it comes to flood, bad weather. Okay? So, thank you so much for listening to this video. Good afternoon. And this has a moral lesson to us. Because it is about nature issue, environmental issue that talks our lives of Filipino people. Thank you so much.